back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing the new February 2020 BoxyCharm base box. I always start this box off with reviewing what I got in November and what I think of those products. This box runs for $25 per month and I think it's pretty worth it, but you let me know what you think. So last month the theme was breaking the ice. The first thing that I did receive was the Pretty Vulgar undercover. I got mine in Pretty White Lies. I used this in a weekly makeup basket and I absolutely loved it. I thought the color match was great. It didn't crease. I mean, it didn't crease like excessively. I feel like all concealers crease a little bit as you get older, but it didn't crease enough to make me like not enjoy it, and you could set it and it was fine. Anyways, I highly recommend it. If you haven't tried it yet, go try it. I'm sure you can get a sample of it at Sephora. I feel like they sell their foundation, but I'm not sure if I've seen their concealer on the website, so that I'm not sure of, but the concealer is great, so if you can try it, definitely do that. And that retailed for $25. The next product that I received was the Dr. Brandt 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream. This was actually the product that I chose. You can pick one product to choose every month, and obviously that's what I chose for this month. I did use it about 3 times, really liked it. It didn't have very good reviews, so I was very nervous to try it. It's just a nice cream base, but I felt like it felt nice. I think for me it's not very thick, and so it's not a good night cream, I don't think. I think it's a little thinner, that I probably would have enjoyed it more in the morning, so I might put it down there and try it again. It was okay. Would I buy it at $55? No, I would not. It wasn't good enough for me to think it was worth that. The next thing that I received was a lipstick from Mana Kadar Beauty Simplified. It is a liquid lipstick and mine is in the shade Faith. It actually is a very pretty color. It's kind of a, I don't even know how to describe it. It's a really nice dark pink. I mean, I don't think it's necessarily mauve, but it's a nice dark pink. I don't know. I liked it. I tried it on in a Get Ready With Me. Didn't really match the eye look I did in that video, but I did try it because I wanted to see kind of what it was like. This is a color that I definitely wear a lot, so I'll get lots of use out of it. I'm really excited for it. I'm really happy to have it. It does retail for $21. I don't know if I would pay $21. I've never heard of this brand. Not that that means anything, but if I'm gonna spend 20 bucks on a lipstick, I'd probably go to Sephora and get a brand that I know a little more. It was a little bit drying on your lips, so it wasn't like a fantastic formula, but again, it was good and the color was great. The next thing that I got in my box last month was the Skin & Co. Roma Face Gommage. Now this I actually did not try because I have used up a bottle of this before. I got it in my Fab Fit Fun fall box, maybe, I can't remember exactly, but one of those boxes, and it's just wasn't my favorite exfoliator. I'm actually going to pass this on to my mom, see if she likes it. If she doesn't, maybe my daughters, they'll probably use it, I'm sure. Anyways, it just wasn't my favorite, so I wasn't going to waste it on myself. This retails for $28 and I obviously don't think it is worth 28 bucks, but it kind of leaves a film on your skin. At least on mine, I felt like a film on my skin after I washed, so I didn't really care for that. And the last thing I received was from Glow Recipe, the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. Retails for $22. I absolutely love this. I think it is just as good as the other watermelon cream. I'm not sure what the difference is. I feel like they're kind of the same thing. They're both very thin. They both smell absolutely amazing. This is, oh, it smells like, seriously, like a Jolly Rancher. A watermelon Jolly Rancher. They're so good. Would I buy this for 22 bucks? I probably would. I don't typically use a sleeping mask, so I don't think it was something I would seek out, but if I finish it and I miss it, I mean, I wouldn't mind spending $22. That to me is not a bad price for something like this. I forgot to get my wipes. That was everything that I got in my January. See, it's not coming off. Uh-oh. I waited too long. I mean, I'm having to scrub. Ugh. So it does stay on very well, as you can hopefully tell. But that was everything that I got in my January box. It was a great month. I mean, besides the exfoliator, I thought it was absolutely wonderful. I liked everything. So now let's open the new box for February. Did I say December? I keep saying December when I meant January. Hopefully I meant January box. Hopefully that's what I said. All right, so let's get into the February 20 unboxing. So when I open my box, it looks like this, and there seems to be no card. I keep seeing people getting their boxes with no cards, but I've always have, so I thought, oh, maybe they didn't see it in the box. But there is honestly no card. Yep, I took a little thingy out. There's no card. So that is a complete bummer. So I'll try to give as much information as I can with these products. Maybe I'll look them up and I'll put the prices and stuff up there. But I don't know. I hate that I didn't get a card. Like I said, I've never had that happen, so I'm not sure what to do. All right, the first thing in my box is from First Aid Beauty. It is the Facial Radiance Pads. I actually love these. I've used probably 2 or 3 jars of it. This is not, I mean, maybe this is a full size. The one I've gotten has been probably double this, so maybe it was an extra large one. I'm not sure, because we're supposed to get 5 full-size products, so it must be full size. I'm twisting it. I'm trying to see how many you get. So it does not say. So these remind me, okay, 28 pads. So it probably is full size for 1 month. I must have got like, I don't know what I got, but it was a double-sized jug. What is this? Jar? Container? I don't know. Anyways, I do like these. I use these usually after I have cleansed my skin. I usually tone my face right as I'm done washing it. So I do this usually after I've toned, because I usually use a toner more to remove any makeup that my double cleanse might have missed, because believe it or not, it does sometimes. And plus I'm not washing my chest in my sink, so I'll run my toner over that to kind of get anything off until I shower in the morning. But anyways, these are really good. I highly recommend them. They're a lot like those Oxy pads you could get back in the day. I'm sure you can still get them now, but that's what it kind of reminds me of. They don't have a strong smell. And as far as I can remember, there's not a strong smell, and they're nice. It says help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. I don't really think it does any of that. Maybe tone, but as far as brighten, I don't know. I'm not sure I would agree with that it brightens or exfoliates, but maybe it's a chemical exfoliator, so you wouldn't really see that like you do on a physical exfoliator. I don't know, because the pads, I don't remember them being rough. I'm going way in. I'm trying to give as much information now that I don't have a card, so I feel like I'm rambling more. And that's not good. All right, the next thing in my box is a lipstick from, it's either Queen or Qveen. I'm not sure. You probably won't even be able to see it. Oh, there you go. I'm not sure how you would say that, but either way, it's kind of a cool name. In the color Wifey. I think there's a color in another lipstick called that. I'll have to look that up because now I'm curious. Ooh, it looks like a very nice, I'm just so excited it's not brown, red, or orange. So that is always good. Oh, I love it. This is definitely a color. It looks almost like my Stila Patina or Patia, wait. The Stila one that I've talked about before. It looks kind of like that color. I actually want to do it next to this Manna Kadar one we got last month, because it looks, okay. So the Manna Kadar is the one on top, and the newer one from Queen or Qveen or something is on the bottom. This is actually a better color for me. This is very warm. I think I know now, realize why I didn't totally love it when I tried it on. I kept blaming it on the eye look, but maybe it's because it's a little bit warm. Maybe I should pass this on to my mom. She wears more warm colors, than this one is definitely more my color. So there is that. I'm wiping it off so it doesn't stain my hand. But I'm very excited to try this color. I think I'm gonna really like it. All right, the next thing that I received is from Ciate London Everyday Vacay, and this is a setting powder. Yep, a setting powder. Didn't we get one of these recent? I wanna say I already own this, and if I do, I'm not gonna open it in case I do, even though I did just rip the box. I will do maybe a giveaway and give this away to one of you guys, but it's always been. It's a very pretty packaging. I love the silver and the clear, but let me give you the little information that it says on there. Again, I don't know much about this product, so I can't share with you anything. But I'll give that a try. If it's the exact same one I already own, then maybe I'll do a giveaway for you guys. The next product, and the product that I actually chose, is the Kate Somerville Bio-Mimicking Peptides Smooth and Firm Serum. High Performance Reshaping Serum. Has a lot of words on there. But there you go. I'm really excited to try this. I do typically enjoy Kate Somerville products. This, I'm sure, is in the $50 or more range. I wish I knew as I talk to you. Again, I'll have it all posted somewhere up here. But I picked it because I think it was, I don't remember what the other choice was, but I do like to get serums and eye creams, which is typically why I pick them. Hence why I picked the eye cream last month, and this was a serum, so I'm assuming the other thing probably wasn't skincare related. I'm just not sure. But I'm very excited to try that out this month and see how that is. Then the last thing that we got in our box are these brushes. I have no idea where they're from. Oh, wait, let me open it because the package is a little loud. All right, so you get 3 brushes. They are from, I cannot even read that. I don't know, maybe you guys can. I can't even read that. I don't know which way is upside down and which way is the right side up. So I'm assuming that that's the right side, but oh, it has like a little pattern. How cute is that? This is the bronzer brush. This one is the, I bet, blush. Oh, complexion brush, so I would assume blush. And this one is the brightening or highlighting brush. So I'm really excited to try these out. These actually feel very nice, and I wish I knew about them. I have watched a couple of videos, and I want to say they had the price in like the $150 range, if I remember right, which is crazy. But I wouldn't pay that for these. But I'm very excited to try them and see how they go. So that is everything in my BoxyCharm February 2020. It was a great box. I think I am most excited for the serum, the lipstick, and the brushes. Like I said, the setting powder I think is a double product, or a recent product, or whatever I'm trying to say. And I've already tried these, so I'm like super excited. I already know how they work. But the lipstick and the serum are definitely my top picks. Obviously I love brushes too, so that's a good thing. I think this month is going to be a lot of fun trying out these products. Let me know if you got the same things as me or what you got different. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.